Copenhagen, where blonde girls are no rarity, where hipsters enjoy beer and sun to the last drop, and where bikers are kings. Once a wise man was asked, "What are the main exports of Copenhagen?" Without hesitation, he replied, "Blondes, hipsters, bacon, bikes, bikes, and bikes." Copenhagen bike life. Wild life. Millions cyclists commute to work, study, or parties on fierce vehicles. The survival on the biking lanes depends on the sound of your bell, where traffic lights and signs drive the mass. Yet, anarchy prevails, and only the jungle law applies. But who are these bestial creatures? Today, we will have a look at some of these animals.
Hey, my name is Jason, and to be honest, I don't give a fuck. The reason I like biking so much is because I can go from point A to point B really fast and while being connected. I mean, I have my phone all the time on me, I'm on Tinder, I'm on Facebook, and I can always just check my mail, all the stuff, just biking, you know. What I really hate about biking though, it's like those 5 Christiane bike taking all the way. I mean, I have to look all the time in front of me just in case there is something. How do I check my mail then?
Jeg hedder Solvej, og jeg elsker at cykle på min Christiane-cykel. Stor, sikker. Jeg kan komme fra A til B, sådan her, og det er fedt. Jeg elsker det. Men der er lige det med restene på de cykelstier. Det er mega nederen. Dem cykler jeg udenom. Det er nemt. Så kan jeg helt gå ondt i Carl Louises røv. Og så bliver det jo forår på cykelstien, hvor vi jo har cyklet hele vinteren. Så er det, at forcyklisterne kommer ud. De skal tjekke telefoner, de hører musik, og de rækker ikke hånden ud. Det er ligesom om, de ikke kan huske, hvordan man gør.
Hi, my name is Kasia and I'm pretty. What I like about biking is that when the sun goes out, I can bike after so many months of shitty weather, and yeah, you know what they say, you never forget how to bike, so it's a natural thing when you live in Copenhagen. I also like photography, so I take pictures wherever I want and wherever I can, and I like to take selfies with my new iPhone.
However, I think that it can be very dangerous in the streets. I mean, sometimes it even feels like I'm in the jungle. Like, you never know when you will get attacked by a predator or... yeah. Even people on the sidewalks are in danger these days.
Kraftedeme, man! Hold mig kraftedeme, lære at køre cykel ordentligt, mand!